welcome back for my final more important charts appraisal with me with Japan market analyst at Asset Markets on Tuesday the 22nd of May. Gold had initially gained on the back of this terrorist attack in the UK, slightly sort of paired those gains, not really managed to get too much traction off it, basically flat on the day at the moment. There is still this 1261 resistance of this pivot line. Couple of sort of pokes above it, but still failing to really get a sort of closing level above it. 1265 was last week's high, and that remains intact, as does the closing break above 1261. But the momentum indicators are still positive. I mean, you'd look at this and you'd still sort of point towards the succession of sort of bull candles, apart from that one single day last week. Higher lows, and yeah, momentum indicators positive. So still sort of points towards a breakout, but not really getting it quite yet. This bull trend that we've had in the last sort of 8-9 days still intact, still pulling higher. Momentum indicators on the hourly chart still positive. Little corrections being bought into, sort of around 40, maybe 50 on the RSI. Chance to buy. Recently, just rolling over again, so maybe you'd be looking out for sort of the next basis of support, a little bit of a breakout level there around 1257. You've got the uptrend coming in at the moment at 1255 area, which again you could argue is a bit of a pivot as well. So yeah, maybe sort of 1267 is a sort of a buying level, but again, sort of you would sort of question if the market fails to break out on a day of a terrorist attack, then maybe there is a bit of an issue with this pivot around 1261. So yeah, you'd still want to see a closing breakout above 1261. If that were to be seen, then you're looking at 1271 being that reaction high from early May, and then sort of the old highs from April to around 1295. However, need to see that closing breakout above 1261, because at the moment we're not seeing it, and that pivot is still intact. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.